My name is Leena ROIHUVUO. I'm from European Forest Institute. I work there as R&D support manager, and my role in Rokfor is to assist the coordinator, who is Timo Hokkanen, in the management and administration of this project. I was also a lot involved in the proposal making, and I think this is a very important project and absolutely something that EFI, my employer, should be involved in. It has huge potential in unlocking the potential existing in the regions to promote the good story that forest sector has to tell in contributing to global policies, challenges, etc. And it's really lovely to be here at the CTFC in these peaceful, beautiful surroundings and great facilities, and everything is perfect. Thank you.